In the last lecture, we saw how to put text on a curved path. In this lecture, we will look at deforming text, using Mesh Distortion. To be able to distort text, I first have to make the text an editable path. I right mouse click on the text, and choose, Convert to Outlines. I click on it again. Then I go to Item, Path Tools, Mesh Distortion. I make the window larger, and click on the zoom in icon. We see 16 red points. You can drag each point to another place. Let's drag a corner. I can also drag multiple points at the same time. Let's drag the top points up, and the bottom points down. I click on OK. Let's visit Mesh Distortion again. I drag the second top point down. And I drag the second bottom point up. Then I drag the third top point up. And move the third bottom point down. I click on OK. To change the color, I have to ungroup the shape. Then I group again. For more sophisticated text warping methods, have a look at Inkscape.